Hello, my name is Praveen Kumar. I completed my degree in mechanical engineering and initially worked in automobile field for few years. However, I decided to make a transition from a non-IT field to IT. Through my research on internet, I discovered Mind2I and I enrolled in the Python full stack course. During this course, I learned a variety of relevant technologies. Upon completing my course, Mind2I offered me an internship where I had the opportunity to work on two projects. One is for domestic clients and another one for foreign clients. These projects were incredibly educational and I gained a lot of valuable experience. I am grateful to Mind2I for providing me this opportunity. Thank you.